Wait up! Beautiful water.
You want to go down there? I'll take a picture.
No, can you record me going down there?
Alright. It's a squirrel.
Watch over there, there's a branch there which I was just on.
Oh. Oof.
Love nature.
Huh?
I love nature.
You love nature?
This is just beautiful. This is just beautiful. So you can have this part. You can have this. Oh, that's cold.
How does it taste?
Why would you want to know that?
Just wanna.
Of course it tastes like water. Give me back.
Alright. It's a squirrel.
Watch over there, there's a branch there which I was just on.
Oh. Oof.
Love nature.
Huh?
I love nature.
You love nature?
This is just beautiful. This is just beautiful. So you can have this part. You can have this.